Team R4UL, we are back again. Okay guys, so what we're doing now is we have got a VW Transporter motorhome, okay, and we're going to go ahead and replace the front wishbone. It's pretty much the same as all other cars, okay, how to replace the wishbones and things like that, the suspension arm that is. So you know what, shall I do a video on this one? Let's do a video on this one, let's go. Right, okay, the first thing what we're going to do is we've sent the car up on the ramp, took the wheel off. I'm not going to show you how to take the wheel off, mechanics 101. Should know how to take a wheel off. Right, so if you don't know, 19 mil on these VW transporters. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take this cover off. Let's take the cover off and we'll go from there. So basically, in order to take the cover off, I don't know what, I think this has been retrofitted with these bolts, okay, 13 mil bolts. But if you, there might be different torques or whatever on yours, but main objective is, let's take this cover off. Okay guys, cover is off. I mean, to be honest with you, it's pretty simple, dead easy actually, because I mean access is really easy for the wishbone, the suspension arm on these transporter T4. The thing is, the only hard thing is basically the bolts are so tight. That's the only I would say the hard thing about doing this job. Basically the bolts, 21 mil nut and bolt here, which was absolutely mega tight. I had to get the scaffolding on it with a spanner because I can't get no socket in there, so I had to get the spanner onto that scaffolding, and basically scaffolding just fell over. It's windy today, right? So yeah, spanner and a scaffolding on that one, loosen that. This one, I've got the strong arm on there, no problem whatsoever, just took it off. And this one here, 21 as well. Just get the strong arm, slacken it off. As you can see, I have started it off. Take them three off. Rest of it should come off. If for some reason it doesn't come off, okay, like for instance, if it doesn't come off from there, what you can do is buy the ball joint. Buy the ball joint. It's on 2 bolts on the ball joint, there and there. Take the ball joint off with the track control arm, the wishbone that is, and then just replace the wishbone and the ball joint. But obviously, I've just bought the wishbone. It doesn't come with a ball joint, so yeah. Hope, fingers crossed, that comes off, okay, and then we can go ahead and replace it. Anyway, let's go ahead. I've loosened all the bolts. Let's go ahead and take them off. Let's do it. And take this one off. Just get 2 21 mil spanners. I've already cracked them with the scaffolding and what have you. But yeah, they are tight, so bear in mind. I know I'm making it look like, oh, it's really loose, but trust me, they were really tight. So, this is going to take me a bit of time because obviously it's just coming off a little, unless you've got a ratchet spanner, 21 mil ratchet spanner, it'll come off nice and easy. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and take this off. Let me take this off and then we will go from here, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Okay guys, sit rep. Situation report is, as you can see, that bolt is, nut and bolt is off. I mean, it will come off. Give me a second. As you can see that it will come off. It's all loose. This nut is off. Okay. Put that to a side. Okay, this one is off as well. Take this off as well. There we go. Now what we'll do is obviously give them a little tap. They should come straight off. This one should come straight off. This one should come straight off. Then it should swing, and then we'll give this. I mean, you could use the ball joint splitter if you want to, but I'm not going to use the ball joint splitter. I'm just going to basically give it a little hit there because it's all dead anyway, the wishbone, and we're going to replace it. Give it a little hit there, take it off, get the new one on. Let's go, let's do it. I've got my hammer here, so basically give that a little hit. That should come straight out. I can get my fingers in there. That's one off. This one here as well, if you want. suspension arm off, most of it. And all we do now is we just give that a hit. That should come straight. It's quite heavy, to be honest with you. Get 2 people on it. Okay, after giving it a few hits, there we have it. The wishbone is off. Let's get the new one on. Okay guys, we've got the new one here. Okay, no nice way to fit it is basically 2 bolts. Okay, so get the 2 bolts on, get the ball joint on, and that's it, you're good to go. Right. There we go. Okay guys, sit right. Right, as you can see there, I've got the bolt on there. I've got the bolt on there as well. The wishbone is not on just yet. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to tighten up on them 2 first. Right, you can't just go tighten them up like that because obviously I'll tell you why. Okay, just 1 second. I mean, you can if you want to just go ahead, tighten it up and then put the ball joint on. It should be okay. Bush should be okay. But if you want to do it the proper way, this is what we're going to do. Give me a minute. Right, okay, you're going to get yourself a jack. If you're doing it on the floor, trolley jack will do. Well, I'm doing it on the ramp, so basically I'm using the gearbox lift on it. So what we do is the wishbone, once it's on the floor, obviously it's not going to be at this angle, is it? It's going to be straight, about 90 degrees straight. Okay, so we need to lift the wishbone up so it's there or thereabouts, then go tightening them bolts up. If you go tightening it up now, it will be okay. Okay, but there's a chance it can damage the bush, but 9 times out of 10 it doesn't. Okay, or 99 point out of, you know, whatever 100, it doesn't do it. It goes all right. But to do it properly, let's do this. Basically, jack this up. So I'm going to jack this up. Move that out of the way a little bit. Just going to jack it up. So make sure. Okay, guys. So as you can see there, I've got it best I can. Okay. It won't go up anymore. If it does go up anymore, it's going to bloody basically take the car off the ramp, and then we don't want that. Raoul TV, end of Raoul TV then, right? We don't want that, do we? Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, tighten that up, tighten the back one up. Let's go, let's do it. Right, okay guys, so as you can see here, I've got the wishbone back on. That bolt is tightened up, that one round the back is tightened up, the ball joint is tightened up as well. And that's it. Let's get the wheel back on, cover back on, job done. Well, there's nothing much to show you guys, basically. The way you take it off in reverse order, just refit it, and that's it, you're good to go. Anyway, that's about it. Let's get these, get the wheel on, get the cover on, finish the job off. That's it. Right, for the torque settings, if you want the torque settings, you can go online and or, you know, on auto data or things like that. Check the torque settings. Just do them proper tight. They were mega tight, so I don't know what the torque settings are. Properly tight. That's the way to do it. Right, okay. So same with them as well. Ball joint and the ball joint and the bolt here. That's it.